You want to be an entrepreneur. You have a vision, a dream that you want to turn into reality. You want to build something from nothing, to create a legacy that will stand the test of time. You need to be on social media. No excuses. It's where your audience lives, breathes, and interacts. Social media is the great equalizer. It levels the playing field for everyone. It doesn't care about your background, your education, or your bank account. It cares about your message. What matters is your hustle, your creativity, and your ability to connect with people. Your passion and drive are your greatest assets. Social media gives you direct access to your target audience, allowing you to build relationships, showcase your product or service, and grow your business. It's a powerful tool that can amplify your voice. Forget the old ways of doing business. The world has changed, and so must you. Forget expensive billboards and TV commercials. They're relics of a bygone era. You don't need $1 million to reach millions of people. You just need a smartphone and a compelling story. You just need a phone and a story to tell. This is your time. This is your chance. Seize the moment and make it count. Are you ready to hustle? Are you ready to put in the work and make your dreams come true? Think about it. You're sitting in your pajamas drinking coffee, and suddenly someone in Tokyo is liking your post. That's the power of social media. It breaks down geographical barriers. You're no longer limited to your local market. You can connect with potential customers and partners all over the world. This global reach is a game changer for entrepreneurs. Imagine launching a product and having it seen by people in hundreds of countries simultaneously. That's the power you hold in your hands. Go global. Think big. The world is your oyster. Let's talk about money, or rather saving money. Traditional advertising is expensive. It often requires a significant upfront investment, and the returns can be uncertain. For many small businesses and startups, this can be a daunting barrier to entry. Social media marketing, way more affordable. With just a small budget, you can start reaching your target audience. You can start with a small budget and scale up as you grow. This flexibility allows you to test different strategies and find what works best for your business without breaking the bank. You can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means you can tailor your message to resonate with the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. This means your message reaches the right people at the right time. Think about it. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, you can be strategic and precise. You can run highly targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for a fraction of the cost of traditional advertising. These platforms offer powerful tools to help you optimize your campaigns and maximize your return on investment. Social media levels the playing field, giving small businesses and startups a fighting chance against the big guys. It democratizes marketing, allowing anyone with a good idea and a bit of creativity to compete. Use it to your advantage. Embrace the power of social media and watch your business grow. Your brand is everything. It's your reputation. It's what sets you apart from the competition. And guess what? Social media is the perfect place to build it. Be consistent with your messaging. Use high-quality images and videos. Engage with your followers. Show your personality. Don't be afraid to be yourself. People want to connect with people, not faceless corporations. Show them who you are, what you stand for, and why they should care. Remember, building a strong brand takes time and effort. Be patient. Be consistent. The results will come. Content is king. Engage to win. Content is king, remember that. But not just any content. You need to create content that people actually want to consume. Content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Think about your target audience. What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Create content that provides value and solves their problems. And don't forget the 80-20 rule. 80% of your content should be valuable and engaging, while 20% can be promotional. Nobody likes to be sold to all the time. Provide value first, and the sales will follow. Networking, influencers, and community love. Social media isn't just about broadcasting your message. It's about building relationships. Connect with other entrepreneurs, industry leaders, and potential customers. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages. Show them that you're listening and that you care. Consider collaborating with influencers in your niche. They can help you reach a wider audience and build credibility. But remember, authenticity is key. Don't just partner with anyone who has a large following. Find influencers who align with your brand values and who genuinely believe in your product or service. Funding your dreams. From crowdfunding to investors. Need funding for your startup? Social media can help. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo have made it easier than ever to raise capital from the crowd. Use social media to tell your story, showcase your product or service, and build excitement around your campaign. Social media is also a great way to connect with potential investors. Share your progress, milestones, and successes. Show them that you're building something special. You never know who might be watching. Authenticity wins. Engage and grow. So there you have it. Authenticity is the key to engaging and growing your business. Social media is a goldmine for entrepreneurs. It's not just about posting content, it's about creating meaningful connections. It's a powerful tool that can help you reach a global audience, build your brand, and achieve your business goals. The potential is limitless, but remember, success on social media doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and a well thought out strategy. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Regularly engaging with your audience and providing valuable content is crucial. Be patient, be persistent. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. And most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity resonates with people and builds trust. People can spot a fake a mile away. Genuine interactions foster loyalty and long-term relationships. Be authentic, engage with your audience and provide value. Offer solutions to their problems and listen to their feedback. Do that, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful business. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Now go out there and crush it. The world is waiting for your unique contribution. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and engage with our content. Stay connected, and let's grow together.